Hey, what's up guys, MKP Captain is here. So OnePlus obviously revealed the OnePlus 7T, and even today the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro have only been out of a quarter of a year, but we already seen the company announce it, the OnePlus 7T. Coming so soon after the OnePlus 7, we are not expecting many massive changes for the new handset, but we are listing everything that has changed. OnePlus 7T will offer a very similar design to the OnePlus 7 Pro, with full of uninterrupted display, triple camera on the rear in slim vertical housing, and a pop-up front camera. There are some great specs in this device, which first we talking about the display. 6.55-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, smooth visual with 90Hz refresh rate. HDR 10 Plus adds to the richness. The company has now poked its 90Hz refresh rate technology to the standard OnePlus 7T original. It was a feature just on the 7 Pro handset from the OnePlus, but now the company has brought it to the cheaper version of the phone. The OnePlus 7T shares a similar design language with the OnePlus 7. There are the same slightly curved back and water drop notch at the top of the screen, but unlike previous T upgrade, you won't struggle to tell the 7 and 7T apart. This is the mini because of the circular camera housing, which OnePlus say is not too old-fashioned camera. The 7T weighs 190 grams, making it slimmer and lighter than the OnePlus 7 Pro. There are new E3 material used on the 7T that is said to reduce harmful blue light by 42% without compromising on colors. There is a video enhancer in the display setting that boosts color and contrast when you are play a video. The operating system of the OnePlus 7T confirmed to come with the Android 10 on board. Plus, the company has included its Oxygen OS overlay on a top. That it's its own design that changed the look of Android Plus. There are a variety of a few features, including a new chromatic reading mode that give you saturated color for a better reading experience. It also including a feature called Zen mode, which debuted on the OnePlus 7 as a way to shut down your phone for 20 minutes or more to encourage you not to use these features. Talking about the camera, a triple rear camera setup, the OnePlus 7T now pack a 48 megapixel main shooter, 12MP 2x telephoto lens, and 16 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 107-degree field of view of this camera. One of the biggest upgrade here is now Mage call it macro lens that allow you to get impressive macro shoot using the rear camera. The example shown on the stage were impressive, and we found it great feature in our time with the device. There are a new Mage call it super stable that combines an ultra precious gyroscope with electronic image stabilization to create more stable video footage. Portrait mode is getting some upgrade to allow you to use telephoto lens for the bokeh style mode. A night scope mode has also come to the ultra wide angle camera on the OnePlus 7T. The front facing camera is a pop-up 16 megapixel front facing camera. Performance of this device, the OnePlus 7T gets an upgrade to the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. There are not lot new here both in terms of the Plus upgrade and the fact we have seen it in other devices. The Snapdragon 855 Plus gets an overclocked prime core that now goes up to 2.96 GHz. Bigger change lie in the GPU, with Qualcomm claiming 15% performance upgrade on Adreno 640. Regardless, performance has rarely been a concurrent on the OnePlus series of a phone, and you are sure to get one of the fastest Android phone around. So you should get some flagship level performance from this. Their haptic motor on board that allow the phone to vibrate while gaming too, which should work well on the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, which is designing to be great for gaming. OnePlus says screen unlocking is even speedier here than the OnePlus 7. It claimed the unlock time has been cut from 0.40 seconds to 0.21 seconds. And while we can't vouch for the accuracy of that claim, there are no 3.5mm headphone jack on the device. That's something the company dropped a few generations ago, but the bottom edge of the device has USB-C port. Let's talk about the power. The 3800 mAh battery with the rapid charge 30T technology OnePlus has included a new version of a rapid charging that works 27% faster than on previous handset from the company and can charge the device up in an hour. The phone also comes with a stereo speaker, so you can't accidentally mute sound with your hand placement. So the phone is good, spec is good. Talking about the price, the OnePlus 7T cost $599 for the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and around $565 for 8GB of RAM and 256GB of the storage. This latter option won't be available in the US right now. So this is the information about the OnePlus 7T. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, thumbs up, and if you have a new onto the channel, please subscribe my channel. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.